Hello friends, welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today's recipe is again a double recipe, one which is made with leftover chapati or roti and the other which is made with leftover rice. The names for these two recipes are Fodnichi Poli and Fodnicha Bhat in Marathi, where the word Fodni means seasoning. So basically it is leftover rice or leftover chapati with some delicious seasoning. And here I would like to add that instead of leftover chapati, you can also use some leftover bread or a mixture of some chapati and some bread. So first, let us take a look at the ingredients that we need for making Fodnichi Poli and Fodnicha Bhat. Oil 2 tablespoons, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, asafoetida or hing 1/4 of a teaspoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, green chilies 2 or 3 or according to your taste. These I have cut vertically or you can cut them into smaller pieces. Curry leaves about 5 or 6, 1 small finely chopped onion, raw peanuts 2 tablespoons, salt by taste, sugar half a teaspoon, lime or lemon juice 1 teaspoon, thin save or gram flour fritters which is optional to use for garnishing. A small bunch of coriander leaves finely chopped. Some leftover rice which is about 1.5 cups here, or leftover chapati. Here I am using 1 chapati and 3 slices of bread. So first I am going to break this roti as well as this bread into big pieces like this with hand and transfer them all to a mixer jar. And now I am going to grind these into a coarse powder. For this we are going to use the pulse button so that it doesn't become a very fine powder. You will have to turn couple of times in between so that it becomes evenly ground. Now here we have all the crumbled bread and chapati. You can see that tiny pieces of chapati are still left in it and it is not a very fine powder. Let us keep it aside for some time. And if you are making Fodnicha Bhat, then we are going to use this leftover rice. I am just separating it out with my hand to break any lumps that normally form in leftover rice, especially if it has been cooked soft. And then keep it aside for some time. Now heat oil in a pan and add mustard seeds. And when they start crackling, add asafoetida or hing, turmeric powder, green chilies, curry leaves. Let's stir fry a little and then add the raw peanuts. And now we are going to stir fry these peanuts till they become darker in color. Keep the heat on medium and continue to turn them for a couple of minutes so that they become nice and crunchy from the inside. Now add the chopped onion and stir fry till the onion becomes slightly brownish in color. Now reduce the gas to low and then add all the crumbled chapati and the bread. And if you are making Fodnicha Bhat, then you have to add rice here instead of chapati. Mix everything nicely. Now add salt according to your taste, keeping in mind that the chapati and the bread already have some salt in them. Now add little sugar for taste and then lime or lemon juice. So here also remember, if you are making Fodnicha Bhat, then you can omit the lemon juice. Now mix everything again and allow it to stay for 2 to 3 minutes, turning couple of times in between and then turn off the gas. You can garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves or with thin save. So our leftover chapati has turned into a delicious recipe. Enjoy it for breakfast or anytime as a snack. And similarly our Fodnicha Bhat is also ready. And this we are going to garnish not with save but with finely chopped coriander leaves. Stale to fresh is a simple easy path. Uma's Kitchen for Fodnichi Poli and Fodnicha Bhat. Thank you for watching. Do try making these recipes with the leftover food at home and remember to post any questions or comments and also subscribe Uma's Kitchen where we make wonderful traditional recipes that are made simple using modern kitchen equipment. Thank you.